Hudgel from MarineMax in Panama City Beach. This is a 2020 Grady-White 271 Canyon. Powered by twin 300 Yamahas, this boat is a rocket ship. Don't have to worry about slowing down when this boat's loaded up because it has lots of power and it gets better economy with 300s than it does 250s. So faster, more power, more fun, better fuel economy. That's a win-win-win. Not only does it have twin 300 Yamahas, it also has Yamaha's Helm Joystick for easy docking and to hold you on your fishing spot at the touch of a button. The bow is both family friendly and fishing friendly. You've got comfortable lounge seats, lots of cup holders, rod holders for when you're fishing, these great backrests, flip back and forth, and give you a good spot to fight a fish in the bow of the boat. This boat is ready to fish. It's got a sink here in the bait station, fresh water, keep your hands clean. There's a live well here, and also one at the transom. That way you can keep different baits separate. If you have, say, shrimp and pinfish, you put them together, the pinfish kill the shrimp. This way you can keep them separate, have multiple kinds of bait, and keep them all alive, saving you money. Also, big, above deck, insulated, gasketed fish box. Holds a ton of fish, keeps ice great, and you don't have to bend down in the floor and get on your knees to put fish in and take fish out. So come on down to MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Check out this Grady-White 271 Canyon for yourself.